Hello, my name is Gideon Figginsworth, and today I'll be showing you how to use a vending machine. Step number 1, find a vending machine. Step number 2, find a snack. Step 3, check the price. Now step 4, make sure you got enough money. Step number 5, if you don't have enough money, ask for a loan. May I please, from the bottom of my heart, borrow 25 cents?
No. You're not my kid. It's not my job to support you. Go talk to your parents. Go get a job. Go do something. You think I make enough money to give you guys money? You're crazy. You guys never pay back when I do. So that's why I don't do it anymore.
Step number 6!
What? Give me all your money.
I don't got any money.
Give me your phone.
Okay, same time.
Sweet.
Hello, welcome.
Step number 8. How much will you give me for this iPhone, man?
Well, you know what it is, an iPhone 4. It is slightly old. You know what, it has a silver case. I don't like silver. But you know, 20 cents.
Throw in these crackers.
Still 20
20.
cents. 21.
25?
25 cents.
25 cents?
Deal, mama.
Step number 9. Purchase your item.
Don't you forget about me.